The water deer, Hydropods enormos, is a distinctive and relatively small species of deer native to East Asia, particularly in China and Korea. Unlike many other deer species, the water deer is notable for its lack of antlers, a feature that sets it apart from most of its relatives. Instead, male water deer possess elongated canine teeth that resemble tusks, which can grow to impressive lengths and are used during fights with other males, especially during the breeding season. These tusks contribute to the water deer's unique and somewhat unusual appearance, often giving the species a more aggressive look than one might expect from a typical deer. Water deer are highly adapted to semi-aquatic environments and are frequently found in wetland areas such as marshes, riverbanks, and reed beds. They are well suited to these habitats, where they forage for grasses, aquatic plants, and shrubs. The species is generally solitary, with males and females typically remaining apart except during the breeding season, which takes place in late autumn or early winter. Despite their solitary nature, water deer are known for being quite secretive, often relying on dense vegetation for cover and avoiding open areas. Their natural camouflage and ability to remain still allow them to elude predators in their marshy, wetland homes. The water deer's diet consists mainly of herbaceous plants, including grasses, sedges, and aquatic vegetation, although they may occasionally browse on tree shoots or fruit. They are often observed feeding at dawn or dusk, when the light levels are lower, offering them some protection from predators. While they are capable swimmers, water deer tend to stay in areas close to water sources, where they can quickly retreat into dense vegetation or take to the water if threatened. Although not currently listed as endangered, water deer face a range of threats that include habitat loss, primarily due to human encroachment, agricultural expansion, and wetland drainage. They are also vulnerable to hunting in some regions, where they are targeted for their meat and pelts. Habitat destruction and the loss of wetlands are among the most pressing concerns for the species, as these areas provide the cover and food resources that water deer rely on for survival. Conservation efforts are being made to protect their habitats, but the future of the water deer remains dependent on the preservation of these delicate ecosystems. Water deer are not as well known as some other deer species, yet they play an important role in their ecosystems as herbivores, influencing plant growth and serving as prey for larger carnivores. Their adaptations to life in wetlands and their unique physical characteristics make them a fascinating subject of study for wildlife researchers, offering insights into how animals can evolve to thrive in specialized environments. However, their continued survival is linked to the preservation of wetland ecosystems and ongoing efforts to protect these habitats from human-driven changes. Thank you for watching. We have some amazing videos coming up, so stay tuned and make sure to hit the subscribe button.